Okay, children, now we have question number 6 of exercise 6.4, which says that prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of corresponding medians. ठीक है, this time now we have to prove the ratio of areas equal to the ratio of squares of medians. हमने अभी एरिया थ्योरम में पढ़ा था that area ABC upon area PQR is given as AB upon PQ whole square equals to BC upon QR whole square equals to AC upon PR whole square. But now we have to obtain it equal to the ratio of square of the ratio of medians. ठीक है, so for that purpose I need to replace AB upon PQ by AM upon PN, है ना, किसी एक साइड का, एंड नॉट ओनली दिस ओनली, जो भी आपके लिए इजी हो. We like it is AB upon PQ whole square, so we need to replace AB upon PQ by AM upon PN. ये तो करना है. So for that purpose we need to show that area नहीं, triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN. ये हमें दिखाने की जरूरत होगी कि सिमिलर हो जाएंगे तो CPST से this upon this will be equal to AM upon PN. ठीक है, so see what we will do. We'll write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR as it is given. ठीक है, ये हमें given है. Then area of ट्राइंगल ABC. अच्छा, एरिया की बात भी बाद में करते हैं, पहले हम CPST से लिख लेते हैं कि साइड्स में क्या रेशियो होगा. फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट व्हाट विल बी द रेशियो अमंग द साइड बाय CPST. इट विल बी AB अपॉन PQ इक्वल्स टू BC अपॉन QR इक्वल्स टू AC अपॉन PR. AB अपॉन PQ इक्वल्स टू BC अपॉन QR इक्वल्स टू AC अपॉन PR. ठीक है, देन also angle B equals to angle Q. This all by similar parts of corresponding parts of similar triangles. Now taking triangle ABM and PQN, what do we have? We have AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR. ठीक है, if we talk about triangle ABM and PQN, we want only this much, BM and QN. ठीक है, तो अभी आप इसको मत लिखो, इतना ही लिखो. Now taking AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR, if you multiply by half in numerator denominator both, AB upon PQ will remain as it is. Then here half of BC I can write as BM and half of QR here I can write as QN. ठीक है, half of BC is BM, half of QR is QN. Also now in triangle, which one, जो यहाँ लिखे थे मैंने, ABM and PQN, we have AB upon PQ equals to BM upon QN. Proved above. How this has come? We have proved here. Proved above. Also, angle B equals to angle Q from 1. This implies in these two triangles ABM and PQN, this angle is equal to this, and the ratio between the arms containing this angle is equal. It means AB upon PQ we have equal to BM upon QN. So we have side angle side here and here also side angle side. The sides are in proportional and angle is equal. So by SAS criteria triangles will be similar. This implies triangle ABM has become similar to triangle PQN by which criteria? Side angle side criteria of similarity. ठीक है, देन एरिया. अच्छा, इसके बाद यहाँ करते हैं, थोड़ा अनटाइडी हो जाएगा अदरवाइज. सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग नाउ, एज दीज ट्राइंगल आर सिमिलर, आई कैन राइट AB अपॉन PQ इज इक्वल टू AM upon PN. This is again by CPST. In which triangles? In triangles ABM and PQN we have applied CPST. ठीक है. Now area ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ whole square. How? By area theorem. Now by area theorem you are going to write here. Now by area theorem, area of ABC triangle upon area of triangle PQR equals to AB upon PQ whole square. And I am replacing this AB upon PQ by AM upon PN from equation number 2. Or we can say area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equals to AM upon PN whole square. ठीक है. हमने क्या किया? AB by PQ now we have replaced by AM upon PN and that's what we have to obtain. ठीक है. तो आपने कैसे काम किया? This type of working you have done earlier also. आपको बड़े ट्रायंगल्स में सिमिलैरिटी दी थी, आपने छोटे ट्रायंगल में लेके आनी है, तो आपने क्या किया? यू मेड हाफ ऑफ दिस बेस. ठीक है. और एंगल ऑलरेडी CPST से इक्वल है, तो यू गॉट दिस एंगल लेफ्ट वन ABM similar to PQN. Then by CPST we obtain AB upon PQ equals to AM upon PN, and then in area theorem area ABC upon area PQR is AB upon PQ whole square, and हमने वो AB upon PQ replace कर दिया किससे? AM by PN से. That's what we need to prove in this particular question. So I hope it is clear now.